Greetings, crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we're about to embark on a journey of transforming the simple beauty of wood into truly magnificent works of art. If you're ready to unleash your inner creativity and impress your friends and family with one-of-a-kind wooden creations, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring a wide range of captivating, artistic wooden craft projects that will elevate your home decor and ignite your imagination. From intricate wood carvings to repurposed furniture pieces, the possibilities for creating stunning, handmade wooden masterpieces are endless. Now, you may be thinking, but I'm not an experienced woodworker. Don't worry, we'll guide you through each step, from the basics of using the right tools to advanced techniques that will have your creations looking like they came straight out of a high-end boutique. So, whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a complete beginner, get ready to tap into your creative potential and learn how to transform the humble beauty of wood into something truly extraordinary. Let's get started. Hey there, crafty friends. Are you ready to tap into your inner artist and create some truly stunning, one-of-a-kind wooden masterpieces? In this video, we're going to explore a world of creative and amazing wooden craft projects that will have your guests in awe. Let's start with a beautiful wooden wall hanging. Using a thin, smooth wood plank as our canvas, we'll transform it into a stunning piece of art. First, we'll sand the surface to ensure a nice, even finish. Then, the fun begins. We'll use a wood burner to etch intricate designs, patterns, and even nature-inspired imagery onto the wood. Next up, we have a show-stopping wooden centerpiece. By taking a large, thick wood slice and adding a touch of whimsy, we'll create a truly unique table accent. Using a jigsaw, we'll carefully cut out shapes, maybe a moon, stars, or even an abstract design. Then, we'll sand the edges and add a pop of color with acrylic paint. For a truly eye-catching piece, let's make a wooden mobile. Start with a few different wood shapes, circles, triangles, or even organic forms. Then, using fishing line or thin wire, we'll suspend them at varying heights to create a captivating, kinetic sculpture that will mesmerize your guests. Finally, let's get a little playful with a wooden bird feeder. Using a reclaimed wood box or plank, we'll craft a charming little home for our feathered friends. We'll add a hinged front, a perch, and even a little roof for a truly whimsical touch. Then, we'll decorate it with wood burnings, paint, or other embellishments to match your outdoor decor. Of course, these aren't the only incredible wooden crafts we can create. Let's explore a few more inspiring projects that will have your guests talking. One stunning idea is a wooden geometric sculpture. By carefully cutting and assembling various wood shapes, triangles, rectangles, even hexagons, we can construct intricate, eye-catching 3D sculptures. Play with different wood tones, finishes, and arrangements to create truly unique art pieces. Another fantastic option is a wooden serving tray or platter. Start with a smooth, flat wood slab and elevate it with custom details. We can use a wood burner to etch beautiful patterns, or even inlay contrasting wood pieces to create a stunning mosaic effect. These make wonderful gifts and can double as gorgeous party displays. For those who love a touch of whimsy, let's create some charming wooden garden stakes or markers. Using scrap wood, we can cut out playful shapes like birds, flowers, or even funny phrases. These make delightful accents for any outdoor space or garden, and they're a fun way to infuse personality into your landscaping. Of course, before we dive into these amazing projects, let's cover some essential woodworking techniques and safety tips. Proper tool usage, sanding, staining, and finishing are key to achieving professional-looking results. And always remember to work in a well-ventilated area and use protective gear like goggles and gloves. For those with a bit more advanced woodworking experience, let's explore the art of wood carving. This intricate technique allows us to bring out the natural beauty and grain of the wood by carefully removing material. One captivating project could be a carved wooden bust or figurine. Using a block of wood, we'll use our carving tools to slowly and precisely reveal the form within. Whether it's an abstract human face or a whimsical animal, the process of carving reveals the hidden artistry in the wood. Another stunning wood carving idea is a relief panel. By carving a design or scene into a flat wood surface, we can create the illusion of depth and dimension. This could feature a nature-inspired landscape, a geometric pattern, or even a portrait. The textures and shadows created through carving add a captivating tactile element. In addition to working with fresh, new wood, Let's explore the beauty of repurposed and reclaimed materials. Breathe new life into old wooden objects by transforming them into unique crafts. One wonderful idea is upcycling vintage wooden windows or doors. These weathered, character-filled pieces make excellent canvases for painted or wood-burned designs. Turn them into wall art, mirrors, or even functional chalkboards or message boards. Another repurposing project could involve turning old wooden crates or pallets into storage solutions or decorative accents. With a little sanding, staining, and creative assembly, these humble materials can become rustic shelves, end tables, or even striking vertical garden displays. The beauty of working with wood is that each project, no matter how simple or complex, becomes a unique expression of your creativity. Whether you're carving intricate sculptures, painting vibrant designs, or upcycling found materials, the endless possibilities allow you to create truly amazing and personalized wooden crafts. So grab your tools, unleash your imagination, and get ready to transform ordinary wood into extraordinary works of art that will elevate any space and impress your guests. Let's get crafting. There you have it, crafty creators, 4 amazing and artistic wooden projects that are sure to impress. From stunning wall hangings to captivating mobiles, these unique wooden crafts will elevate your home decor and bring a touch of handmade magic to any space. So grab your tools, unleash your creativity, and let's get crafting.